Our class has gone paperless since the beginning of 2016, and here's a look at what students have learned since then. First, students go to iTunes U and they select the class that they want to go to. Here's a student going to the fractions class. He's going to open up the worksheet that I shared with him. He's going to open it on iTunes U. Now, he's going to send it to an app called Notability. Here, they're able to use their iPad pens and be able to work on it using their iPad. Now, at first, students complained that when they use their stylus pens, they weren't able to write the numbers and letters the way they wanted. But as you can see here, the student zoomed in and is now able to write his name. He's able to write the letters and numbers as big as he wants. Now, when students use an eraser on a piece of paper, it can get kind of messy. But with Notability, students can use the eraser icon and erase their work and then rewrite their work with no eraser marks. Now, how does a student turn in their homework? First, the student wants to select Google Drive, pick the folder he wants to send it to. Here, he's going to pick the math homework folder that he created using Google. He's going to export it, then send it to Google. Now, his homework is ready to turn in using the app Neo. Now, when they get to Neo, they have to select the class where they want to turn in their homework. Here, he selects the math class. Then he clicks on G Drive. Then he wants to click the math homework folder that he created in Google Drive. Now he's going to select the homework he wants to turn in and upload it. It takes about a few seconds to upload. Now he's ready to save and submit for grading in Neo. Now, students have complained about text charting an article, that there's not enough room in the margin to write all their notes. Here, a student is using liquid text and he's color coding each paragraph and also summarizing on the margin using a keyboard. This app is great for text charting. Here is the final product of the student's work after he was done text charting the entire article. Now, an app that my students love to use is called Byboard. This app allows them to collaborate in real time using one whiteboard, but they're able to write on the whiteboard using their own iPads. Now, students also like creating movies. Here is a mini movie about Indians that was created by one of my students using the app Adobe Voice.
That's made in the past. Indians made pots, spears, and baskets. We can learn about Indians from their songs. The legends tell us natural events like storms, but children learn how to tell legends by repeating lines.
When students are done making their movies, they can sit down in small groups and share the movies they made with other students. Here is a group of 4 students watching a movie that one of the students created. And this is a great way for students to become teachers.